Hello friends, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing previous year questions of SSC-CHSL 2010 of biology section with you. So let's begin friends. These are my credentials. Now move on to the questions. The crop which occupies maximum cultivated area in India is A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Gram, D. Linseed. Friends, rice is the most cultivated crop in India. India is the world's second largest producer of rice behind China. So here correct answer is A. Rice is a crop which occupies maximum cultivated area in India. The most abundant constituent of atmospheric air is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Answer for this question is D. Nitrogen. It is a most abundant constituent of atmospheric air. If we talk about the volume of air, that means dry air contain about 78.09% of nitrogen and 20.95% oxygen and 0.93% argon gas and 0.04% carbon dioxide, and small amount of other gases is also present in atmosphere. So maximum abundant constituents of atmospheric air is nitrogen, which is around 78.09% of the all air. So correct answer is D. Fiber diet includes glycogen, protein, cellulose, fats. So here correct answer is cellulose. Fiber diet includes cellulose. If we talk about good sources of soluble fiber, that include fruits, vegetable, oats, bran, barley, seed husk, soya milk, soya products. And if we talk about insoluble fibers, that mean they are insoluble fiber means cellulose, hemicellulose and lignin. These are the rich source of fiber. So correct answer is C here. Tuberculosis infection is by mean of Mycobacterium avonium, Staphylococcus, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, D. Streptococcus. So basically in this question they are asking about the bacterial infection. They are asking about the source bacteria which causes the tuberculosis in human being. So Mycobacterium tuberculosis is the bacteria that cause tuberculosis infection. Here correct answer will be C. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is a bacteria that cause infection, that is known as tuberculosis, or we sometimes call it as a TB. Dumping of solid waste in low-lying areas earth cover is called as. Dumping of solid waste in low-lying area earth cover is called as sanitary landfilling, open dumping, composting, incineration. So dumping of solid waste in low-lying area earth cover is called as sanitary landfilling. Sanitary landfilling is a method of controlled disposal of municipal solid waste on land. So here correct answer is A. Permissible noise level at residential area during night time is 45 decibel, 55 decibel, 75 decibel, 80 decibel. Here correct answer is A. 45 decibel is the permissible noise level at residential area during night time. As per the rules, the prescribed highest limit of noise level for residential localities is around 55 during the daytime and 45 decibel during the night time. So here A is the correct answer. The abnormal constituent of urine is urea, creatinine, albumin, sodium. Here correct answer is albumin. Albumin is a protein and it is an abnormal constituent of urine. If we talk about the normal constituent of urine, then urine has 95% of water, urea, salt of sodium, chloride, potassium, creatinine and inorganic waste such as nitrogenous waste. So urea, creatinine and sodium are the abnormal constituent of the urine, while albumin is a abnormal constituent of the urine. The disease that is caused by virus is A. Typhoid, B. Cholera, C. Common cold and D. Malaria. Here correct answer is C. Common cold is a disease that is caused by the viral infection. It is an infection of nose and throat. The most important element of weather affecting agriculture in India is A. temperature, B. humidity, C. wind, D. rainfall. So here correct answer is rainfall. Rainfall is a most important element of weather affecting agriculture in India. And जो हमारे रेन है, जो मैक्सिमम कल्टिवेशन है, दैट इज मेनली डिपेंडेंट ऑन द रेन. In plant, water is absorbed by the root hair by a process called transpiration, respiration, perrespiration, osmosis. In plant, water is absorbed by the root hairs by a process called as osmosis. So correct answer is osmosis. Root hair absorb mineral by active transport and water by osmosis process. So friends, this we have to remember that water is only absorbed by the osmosis process, but if we talk about the mineral and other salt nutrient, they are absorbed by the active transport mechanism. The element which is required by the plant in large quantity is A. calcium, B. nitrogen, C. phosphorus, D. sulfur. Here correct answer is B. Nitrogen is the element which is required by the plant in large quantity. It is a macronutrient. Which gas is used for converting vegetable oil into saturated fat? Hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine and sulfur dioxide. Vegetable oils are converted to saturated fat by passing hydrogen gas through them. When hydrogen gas is passed through combined with hydrogen and vegetable oil in the presence of nickel, it converts into solid fat. So here correct answer is A. Hydrogen gas is used for converting vegetable oil into saturated fat, I mean into solid fat, that means ghee, etc. So this process is also known as hydrogenation. So correct answer is A here. Which one of the following give energy to our body? A. vitamin, B. water, C. carbohydrate, D. protein. Here correct answer is C. Carbohydrate is one of the following that give energy to our body. Which of the following pair has open type of circulatory system? A. earthworm and leech, B. man and whale, C. cockroach and silverfish, D. tadpole, larva and fish. So here correct answer is C. Cockroach and silverfish is having the open type of circulatory system. That means the blood is flowing in openly in hemocoel, and they don't have any blood vessels. Which of the following vertebrate lack exoskeleton? Amphibia, mammalian, Aves, chondrichitis. Here correct answer is A. Amphibian doesn't have any exoskeleton. The skin of amphibian is without any exoskeleton like scales, feather or fur. All are absent in amphibia. So here correct answer is A. Which of the following branches deal with the interaction of same species of living organism with their non-living environment? A. Autecology, B. Synecology, C. Ecology, D. Paleontology. So here correct answer is Autecology. Autecology is the branch that deal with the interaction of same species of living organism with their non-living environment. Autecology is also known as species ecology, the study of the interaction of individual organism or a single species with the living and non-living factor of its environment. It is a comes under the ecology. Ecology is a broader term. And if we talk about the synecology on the other hand is a ecology of different species living in the same habitat, their relation with one another. So an ecology is a broader term that encompasses both autoecology as well as synecology. So we can again discuss autoecology. Autoecology called as species ecology, and it is the study of interaction of an individual organism or a single species with the living and non-living factors of environment. So here correct answer is A. Which of the following organelle is called atom bomb? A. Microtubules, B. Nucleolus, C. Golgi bodies, D. Lysosome. Here correct answer is D. Lysosome is called as atom bomb of the cell. इसको it is also known as suicidal bag and atom bomb of the cell, because if it is a single membrane bound organelle and there are so many digestive enzymes are present inside it, if anyhow the membrane is break down, then enzyme released and that may also destroy cell itself. So that's why this is called as lysosome. Lysosome is a atom bomb of the cell. From the bark of which plant is quinine extracted? A. Eucalyptus, B. Cinchona, C. Neem, D. Cedar. Friends, quinine is extracted from the bark of Cinchona plant. It is used for the treatment of malaria. So here correct answer is B. Hypertension is the term used for A. Increase in heart rate, B. Decrease in heart rate, C. Decrease in blood pressure, D. Increase in blood pressure. D. Hypertension is term used for increase in blood pressure. It is a condition in which the force of the blood against the artery wall is too high. The contractile proteins in a muscles are A. Actin and Myosin, B. Actin and Tropomyosin, C. Myosin and Troponin, D. Troponin and Tropomyosin. The contractile protein in a muscles are A. Actin and Myosin. This is the correct answer. They are contractile. Actually, they are contractile. They also regulatory and structural protein. By contractile protein, these two protein regulate the contraction of the muscles, and there are two protein. One is actin, that is known as thin filament of the muscles, and myosin is a thick filament of the muscles. So they both are act as a regulatory contractile protein. They are involved in the contraction of the skeleton muscle. So correct answer is A here. A natural region has the similarity of A. climate and natural vegetation, B. climate and occupation, soil and drainage, economic base and races. Here correct answer is A. A natural region has the similarity of climate and natural vegetation. Crop rotation help to lessen use of pesticides, eliminate parasites which have selective host, yield more crops and produce a greater choice of plant products. So here correct answer is B. Crop rotation helps to eliminate parasite which have selective host. Crop rotation actually क्या है? Crop rotation is a practice of growing a series of different type of crop in a same area, so that they can eliminate parasite which have the selective host. An area largely reserved for wildlife in its natural surrounding is A. Biosphere Reserve, B. Sanctuary, C. Social Forest, D. National Park. Here correct answer is B. Sanctuary is an area that is legally reserved for the wildlife in its natural surrounding. So here correct answer is B. Sanctuary. The major component in the LPG is A. Methane, B. Butane, C. Ethane, D. Propane. So here correct answer is B. Butane is the major component in the LPG gas. Although propane is also present in the LPG gas, but it is in a lesser amount. So here B would be appropriate answer. Acute lead poisoning is also known as itai, plumbism, neuralgia and bisonosis. Acute lead poisoning is also known as plumbism. You know, lead is also known as, its chemical name is plumbum. It's denoted by Pb. So acute lead poisoning में क्या होता है? There is accumulation of lead inside the body for longer period of time. This is known as plumbism. Which of the following animal does not have nervous system? A. Leech, B. tapeworm, C. amoeba, D. snail. So here correct answer is C. Amoeba does not have any nervous system of its own. It is a unicellular organism and it's a protozoa, so it doesn't have any nervous system. Which of the following causes malaria? A. insect, B. bacteria, C. protozoa, D. virus. So malaria is caused by protozoan parasite. So it is a protozoan parasite, and correct answer is C here. Protozoan parasite is a plasmodium that causes the malaria in human being. There are different type of plasmodium which causes different type of fever in human being. Decomposition of uric acid crystals at the joint is cause of arthritis, B. osteoporosis, C. osteomalacia, D. rickets. It is question number 28, not 153. Sorry, it's deposition of uric acid crystal at the joint is the cause of arthritis. So here correct answer is A. Nitrogenous food is A. carbohydrate, B. lipid, C. protein, D. salt. So here nitrogenous food is a protein. It's a good source of nitrogen. So correct answer is C. The cause of loss of forest cover is A. agriculture, B. building industry, C. increasing population, D. tourism and pilgrimage. Tourism and pilgrimage. So correct answer is C. increasing population is the main cause of loss of forest cover in India and anywhere in the world. Greenhouse effects mean A. pollution in houses in tropical region, B. trapping of solar energy due to atmospheric oxygen, trapping of solar energy due to atmospheric carbon dioxide, D. cultivation in greenhouse so as to check pollution. So greenhouse effect basically mean the trapping of solar energy due to atmospheric carbon dioxide. This is the main gas that causes the greenhouse effect. Which one of the following organ excretes water, fat and various catabolic waste? A. kidney, B. skin, C. spleen, D. salivary gland. Here correct answer is A. Kidney is a main excretory organ that excrete water, fat and various catabolic waste. Pollutant from motor car exhaust that causes mental disease is A. lead, B. nitrogen dioxide, C. sulfur dioxide, D. mercury. Here correct answer is D. Mercury is the pollutant from the motor car exhaust that causes the mental disease in human beings. So correct answer is D. Which of the following cytoplasmic organelles are treated as prokaryotic cell within the eukaryotic cell? A. mitochondria, B. Golgi body, C. lysosome, D. glyoxysomes. Here correct answer is D. Glyoxysome is a cytoplasmic organelle that are treated as a prokaryotic cell within the eukaryotic cell. A powerful eye irritant present in smoke is A. nitric oxide, B. sulfur dioxide, C. peroxyacetyl nitrate, D. carbon dioxide. Correct answer is C. Peroxyacetyl nitrate is a powerful eye irritant present in the smoke. Peroxyacetyl nitrate is a important constituent of photochemical smoke. Which of the following disease is caused by the consumption of nitrate contaminated food and water? A. Minamata disease, B. osteoporosis, C. blue baby syndrome, D. asbestosis. So here correct answer is blue baby syndrome. It is caused by the consumption of nitrate contaminated food and water. And if we talk about Minamata disease, then it is caused by the mercury poisoning. And if we talk about the osteoporosis, it is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D and calcium in our bone, and asbestosis is caused by the asbestos fiber. So blue baby syndrome basically is a disease that is caused by the drinking nitrate contaminated water. And this is the end of our video, and we have discussed here 2010 CHSL SSC biology section questions, and in next slide and next videos we will continue with our 2009 CHSL SSC exam questions. So thank you very much, and stay tuned with my channel, and please subscribe my channel for latest updates of my video. Thank you very much.